Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Aussie yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that Aussie yen currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that Aussie yen is a long term bullish market with this double bottom formation. Aussie yen has broken to the upside with this strong monthly impulse. Now with that impulse this month, we have seen that Aussie yen primarily tested this previous resistance here, neckline of this previous resistance, tested as a support, and so far we see that there is a long wick candle is being created. Now with that long wick candle, what I think that as it's a long-term bullish market, we can expect the price to slowly go up and break this monthly resistance. At least we can expect a retest of this monthly resistance before breaking to the upside or again rejecting towards the downside. Looking at the weekly perspective, we see that Aussie yen is potentially bullish as well. Starting with the zone, there was a strong liquidity gap here, a pin bar, and we saw that there is another pin bar. So back to back, two very strong liquidity gap has given Aussie yen a strong momentum, has gone to the resistance zone. Again, we saw that the price has come down for a pullback to this smart money area. This is the previous resistance zone here, which is turning support here. And from that level, we see that Aussie yen started to move towards the upside. Now, this current weekly candle, we see that after testing this lower part of this long week, we see the market started to move. Now, looking at the daily to see how the price action is forming, we can see that this is the daily local downtrend started to change towards its long-term uptrend. With this daily impulse created this move, and we saw that there was quite a few downward wave. Aussie yen has come back to this previous resistance or turn support here, and we saw that with this impulse again the price started to change its trend and merging with the global uptrend. Now this current daily candle, after back to back two daily dojis, we saw that after creating series of higher low, the market has broken to the upside. And what I think that we could see after a little pullback a continuation to the upside as the long term trend is up, and we can expect Aussie yen to move up to towards its long term direction. Now looking at further lower time frame for potential entry on Aussie yen, as you can see the price on the 4 hour time frame has formed an inverted head and shoulder, and then we saw a strong breakout from this inverted head and shoulder. Now this is the neckline of this inverted head and shoulder. This is the previous resistance here, resistance here, which is turning support, and I will be waiting for a retest. As we see that once we see this inverted head and shoulder, we can expect a breakout and a retest and continuation towards its long-term uptrend. So this is where I will be waiting for a potential entry opportunity on Aussie yen. As soon as we will see that the price has tested this level, given us an entry opportunity according to the rules of our strategies, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. And also let us know which way you are trading Aussie yen, what level you are looking at in the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.